Hello Sundari, let's make some Nimbu SAAN. This is a modified version. You're going to take about 2 tablespoons of curd and you're going to whisk it so that there's no lumps. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted and ground hemp seeds. Then salt to taste. I'm using black salt here. And then good old kachi ghani oil. Do not use any other oil but kachi ghani. Mix it well till the oil and curd combine. This is one of those recipes that every single Pahari person eats, especially in winter time. Sitting with our families in the winter sun and making and eating Nimbu SAAN is almost like a cultural experience for every Pahari that I know. It has so many memories attached to it, but since this is a modified version, I'm using Kinu and not Nimbu because I can't find it anywhere in Delhi. Then you just take it, mix it, zhuzh it about, shmush it about, and you have yourself amazing and delicious Nimbu SAAN. Nimbu SAAN has an extremely complex flavor profile. It's sweet, sour, tangy, and nutty. It's extremely nutritious, especially with 10 grams of protein with that 1 tablespoon of hemp that we've roasted and put in there. Delicious, nutritious, amazing. Let me know if you tried this Nimbu SAAN recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye!